Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Over here you need to select I accept, then confirm, continue and allow on both devices. I will auto-rotate my tablet real quick. And now you need to select Send on Samsung tablet and Receive on an Android. Following that, tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one file, like this photo, just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, so RMS click on an Android, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!